Do you want to turn your Snapchat account private? If yes, you've come to the right video. Welcome to How Logical, and it's me, your host. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to turn your account into a private account in Snapchat. Open the Snapchat app, go to the profile on the top left corner, go to the settings on the top right corner, scroll down until you see the privacy control. Open Contact Me, and press on Friends. This way, only your friends can contact you. Go to View My Story and it should be only in Friends. Then, go to See Me in Quick Add and click this. This way, you will not be shown in Quick Add. Go to Activity Indicator and turn it off as well. Go to See My Location and turn on Ghost Mode. Then, go to Hide My Live Location and turn it on as well. This way, your account will now be private. Hope the video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe our channel and hit the bell button for more interesting tutorial contents like this. Thank you and see you soon. Until then, goodbye and take care of yourself.